What a weekend of sport we've had, and congratulations has to go out to Bayern Munich, of course, as well, because they secured their third successive Bundesliga title. But as far as the Barclays Premier League goes, for this weekend we had 23 goals, 3 away wins and 5 draws, including Arsenal's draw with Chelsea. And let's take a look at the standings right now, with Chelsea holding that 10-point advantage at the top. Arsene Wenger is already saying it. He says it's impossible for Chelsea to lose the league. What are you as a Chelsea fan saying? Well, you must be enjoying this position right now. By the end of this week, we could be seeing Chelsea celebrate a title, their first title in 5 seasons. And every weekend throws up its own lot of surprises. Pro Carty, in fact, was talking about John Terry on Twitter with the hashtag #SSFootball, saying that he thinks that John Terry is playing like he's 24 years old. And as a Chelsea fan, Pro Carty says he is all smiles right now. David Katende, he says the first time that he is agreeing with Arsene Wenger, because Arsene Wenger's right, it's impossible for Chelsea to lose the title. That's according to him, and he thinks that this weekend he will definitely be celebrating. Well, talking about celebrations, let's talk about those PFA awards. And if you had the choice, who would you have chosen as player of the season? Would it have been Eden Hazard, who scored 18 goals in 47 games for the Blues this season? David De Gea, who's made 87 saves this season? Coutinho, who of course is known for his runs, his touches and brilliant attacking play, and managed to keep Fabregas out of the PFA team of the season? Or Costa, who is still recovering from that hamstring injury? And your last option is that of Harry Kane with his 30 goals. Well, Mertesacker did tweet after the game saying that it was an intense atmosphere, and once again, thanks for your support in the name of the team. Now, what about the FA Cup? This is what you can look forward to on your World of Champions, the FA Cup final. In about just over a month's time, you'll be able to see it live on your World of Champions. And it has been decided that Aston Villa, who won the toss, will be in their home kit. And as far as Arsenal go, they'll be wearing the yellow and the blue for that final. And of course, they are vying for that FA Cup trophy, the title, the money attached to it of £1.8 million as well.